In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Google Photos. If you want to stop using a Google account in the Google Photos app, the process is simple, but it's important to know that on Android, signing out of Google Photos usually means removing that Google account from the device itself. Because of that, this action can also sign you out of other Google apps connected to the same account, such as Gmail or Google Drive. To begin, open the Google Photos app on your device. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap your profile picture or your initial if you don't have a profile image set. This opens the account menu where you can see the Google account currently being used in Google Photos. Next, tap the small drop-down arrow next to your email address. This gives you access to more account-related options. From there, choose Manage Accounts on this device. This will take you out of the Photos app and into your device's account settings where your Google accounts are managed. Once you're in that settings area, look for the section labeled Accounts for Owner. In that list, select your Google account. Be sure to choose the correct one, especially if you have more than one account signed in on the device. Taking a moment here to double check can help you avoid removing the wrong account by mistake. After selecting the account, tap the Google account you want to remove and then choose Remove Account. Your device may ask you to confirm this decision, so if a confirmation message appears, go ahead and approve it. At this point, the selected Google account will be removed from the device, which effectively signs you out of Google Photos for that account. Just keep in mind that because this is done through your Android account settings, the same account may also be signed out of other Google apps on the device. If your goal is simply to stop backing up photos without fully removing the account, that would be a different setting inside Google Photos. But if you specifically want to sign out, removing the account is the method shown here, and that's it. You've now signed out of Google Photos on your Android device. If you found this helpful, you can replay the steps slowly and follow along on your screen to make sure everything is done correctly.